Click App Launcher, then search for and select Agentforce Studio. Click Prompt Templates to open Prompt Builder in Setup. Click New Prompt Template. For prompt template type, select Field Generation. For prompt template name, enter Quick Summary. Press the Tab key to populate the API name field, quick_summary. For template description, enter a short summary of case details. For object, find and select Case. For object field, find and select Quick Summary. Click Next. Great! You now have the start of a prompt template. Paste and save the following text into the prompt's Insert Resource field. Summarize the concatenation of the contents of the comment bodies of comments along with the text from Subject, the case priority, which is priority, and the case type, which is type. Keep the response to a single short paragraph. In the Models list, make sure OpenAI GPT-4 Omni Mini is selected, because OpenAI GPT-4 Mini produces some great results. This sample text includes a few placeholders in all caps for things like case priority. Let's replace those with actual merge fields so the LLM can create a tailored response for a variety of situations. In the prompt sample text, place the mouse cursor in front of the word priority. Click Insert Resource to open the list of resources. Click Case, then click Priority. A merge field is inserted as blue text. Delete Priority to leave behind just the merge field. Next, you repeat the process to replace the comments, subject, and type text placeholders. Place the mouse cursor in front of comments. Click in the resource box. Select Case, then click Case Comments. Delete comments to leave behind just the merge field. Place the mouse cursor in front of Type. Click in the resource box. Select Case, then click Case Type. Delete Type to leave behind just the merge field. And finally, place the mouse cursor in front of Subject. Click in the resource box. Select Case, then click Subject. Delete Subject to leave behind just the merge field. With merge fields in place, your prompt template should look like this. Now that your prompt template includes merge fields and good instructions, it's time to test it out. Prompt Builder makes it easy to preview your prompt template using actual data. All you need is a sample record to draw from. Click Save. Click Preview, then click Inputs to expand the Inputs box. In the Related Record box, find and select case 00001002. Click Preview. Click Activate. The LLM generates a concise case summary in the Generated Response field.